Hello, I'm John from Sydney, Australia. I'm the guy who made Flow Studio. I'm also wearing a Microsoft Flow t-shirt. Today I wanted to do a very quick 5-minute video to basically introduce Flow Studio. What does it do? If you have always heard me talk about it but you have never seen it, you have never logged in, then this video hopefully will give you a good idea of what Flow Studio is all about. And also, I wanted to show off one cool feature that a lot of Flow Studio users find very helpful. So let me get into it. So Flow Studio is a web application. It is a tool that runs entirely in your browser. Going to flowstudio.app, it will actually redirect to HTTPS. And you can see now I'm in my test user Gandalf and it's not signed in. So Gandalf needs to sign in, so I'm going to do that. And you need to sign in with your Microsoft Azure AD account, so the account that you use to create your flows. And Flow Studio needs that, and then there's usually a screen where Flow Studio will ask you for permissions, for delegate permissions, to be able to see your flows and then update them on your behalf. So you'll see very quickly that Flow Studio has read the Gandalf's flows as well as the team flows, so flows that have been shared with Gandalf. And it's produced them inside a group. So Gandalf has access to 30 Microsoft flows. Most of them, a significant of them are actually team flows with this green icon. But some of them are personal flows. They're just Gandalf's. The one cool feature that I want to show you, and this is something that I see a lot being asked in the forums and on social media across various different Flow subreddit, Flow Facebook groups, Flow community forums. Many people ask, is there a way to put Flow into folders for grouping, or even better, use some sort of metadata filtering? And that is one of the features that Flow Studio does for you. Let me take example for this one called mutex. The third item from the right click menu is tags. I could type that's currently available. Just hit save. And Flow Studio will write that metadata tag into this flow. And then you could use it as a kind of filtering. Let me clear that. Flow Studio is how I create sets of demos. When I go and talk to SharePoint Saturday, I could select my demos. When I talk to Microsoft Graph Community Call, I use the MS Graph tag to quickly select the set of flows that I want to show. So if you have a lot of flows in your environment and you want to group them into sets, maybe they are for specific projects, maybe they are related for a particular iteration or particular task. So the metadata tag, let me close that. The tag is written to the description of your flow. So Flow Studio will actually update your flow and put the tag into the description. This is at the end of the description. So if you have existing text, tags will be added to the very end of it. This means that you could, when you use Flow Studio to tag your flows, they are the tags go with your flow. So if you move between your office PC and then your home laptop, as long as you log in with the same account and you're looking at the same flows, these tags reappear. As well, if you're sharing your flows with your team, so in the team flow scenario, these tags will be visible if your team also uses Flow Studio. So this is something that we use a lot. This is something that I see being asked by the community a lot. This is in Flow Studio. Bye!